Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If today is your first day of coming across my video, you are highly welcome to this channel. My name is SA Unique. In today's video, I will be sharing a simple home remedy that is going to help you to regain your womanhood and get rid of infection. In case you have infection, any kind of VJ yeast, and you want to get rid of it, and also you want to tighten your VJ to be as if it is the first time, so you want to get all of this, stay tuned and continue watching. See the amazing benefit of this home remedy. Just stay tuned, guys. So the first ingredient which I will be using for this amazing remedy is peanut. This is raw peanut. I have shared this video in my channel before, but this is another method which you are going to be using it to tighten your VJ and also get rid of infection. This is so amazing. It works perfectly. It will give you 100% result. So this is the first ingredient. This is raw peanut. So I'm going to be using this, and if you don't have this raw peanut, you have this type, you can equally use this type. This is also very good. For those that does not know, this is also called granite in my country, and other people also call it granite. You can check it in Google. It is also called granite or peanut. So I will be using this today. So what I'm going to be doing first is to grab my water and wash this first to remove any kind of dirty that might be inside. Then I will grab my cooking pot. I will wash this and place it inside my pot. Then after adding everything to my pot, my second ingredient is clove. This is clove. Clove is so amazing. If you are trying to get rid of infection and also regain back your womanhood, clove is one of the amazing ingredients which you are going to be using. Clove and peanut is going to give you amazing results. So what I'm going to be doing now is to get about 2 tablespoons of this clove. Here is it. I'm going to be adding it to my pot, and also I will pour in some amount of water. About 3 to 4 cups of water I will pour inside. Here is it. So after pouring the water, I'm going to take this to my cooker to cook this for about 10 minutes to 15 minutes. Maximum, you can cook it for 20 minutes, okay? And also, like I've said, if you really don't have this type of peanut, you can use the fried peanut, which is this type. You can also use this type, okay? So I'm going to be taking it to the cooker now to cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes. I will be right back after cooking. So guys, here is it. After cooking for about 10 minutes, you can see the water has properly changed, but I still need to cook this for extra 5 minutes again to make it 15 minutes. Then after then, I'll bring it down, allow it to cool down before finishing the preparation, okay? So guys, here is it. After cooling down for some minutes, here is the water. So what I'm going to be doing now is to get my strainer and a clean bowl to strain this out. So after straining, here is it. All you just need to do, first thing in the morning, you are going to be getting 1 glass cup of this. Just pour in some amount of this. Here is it. Pour in some amount of this into your cup. You are going to be drinking this in the morning, and also you drink it also in the evening. And you are going to be repeating this step for 5 days. And also you are going to be getting some amount of this liquid. You can use it to wash your VJ in the evening. Do this for good 5 days. You are going to get amazing results. Like I assure you, I keep repeating it, you are going to get amazing results. Just do this the same way I have showed you. This is going to help your VJ to be so tight again. It is going to help you to regain your VJ, like I've said. It is going to help you to get rid of infection totally. You are going to see the amazing difference. After taking out of it to wash your VJ, all you just need to do is to pour this into a tight container and keep it in your fridge to preserve it. Anytime you want to drink out of it, take it from your fridge and just warm it a little and drink. It is going to help you to regain it back properly. It is going to help you to tighten it. It is going to help you to get rid of whether itchiness in your VJ, whether yeast in your VJ, whether whatever kind of infection that might be inside your VJ or outside your VJ. This is going to help you to get rid of it. That is why you need this water to wash it first. And also you also drink this. The infection inside your body will come out, and you use this to wash inside. You are going to see when you use it to wash it, it is going to help you to tighten it very well. In case you really have infection, you might feel pepperish pain in your VJ. When you use the water, you might feel that pepperish pain, but don't worry, it's because you have infection. That is why you are going to be feeling that pepperish pain. But use it to wash it, like I have told you. You are going to see the amazing benefit of this. So I have come to the end of this amazing video. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I will get back to you. And also, if you love this amazing remedy that is going to help you to regain your VJ and get rid of infection totally, click on the like button. And also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and also turn on the post notification in case whenever I upload, you are going to be notified of my amazing upload. See you all in my next one. Bye.